Hi guys, my name is Franz Vero.
And my name is Calvin. Today we're gonna eat butter shrimp. Oh my god! Yummy, yummy, yummy! Mama!
Hindi ako? Masarap naman. Hacker to. Masarap pong. I love butter shrimp with more with cow. I love butter shrimp with more with cow.
Bakit ito matawa? Matawa si Bruno agad-agad.
I love shrimp more with cow. No, why did I love shrimp more with you? Sabi ka video. I love shrimp more with cow.
Gracias! Wait guys, I'm going to get some more.
Yan. Ang kukuha kong tubig.
Hello guys! Bumalik na po ako. Tatapusin ko na po yung video. Huwag niyo po kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Love you. Pogi ako.